Network security groups, NSGs, are a critical component in Azure's virtual networking. They act as virtual firewalls, controlling inbound and outbound traffic to Azure resources. By defining security rules, NSGs help ensure that only authorized traffic is allowed, enhancing the security posture of your virtual network. Understanding how to evaluate and implement effective security rules in NSGs is essential for any Azure administrator. NSGs play a vital role in protecting Azure resources from unauthorized access and potential threats. They provide granular control over network traffic, allowing administrators to define rules based on source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. This level of control helps in mitigating risks and ensuring compliance with security policies. Effective NSG management is crucial for maintaining a secure and efficient virtual network environment. An NSG consists of several key components: security rules, priority, source and destination, protocol, direction, and action. Security rules define the conditions under which traffic is allowed or denied. Priority determines the order in which rules are applied. Source and destination specify the IP addresses or ranges. Protocol defines the type of traffic, e.g., TCP, UDP. Direction indicates whether the rule applies to inbound or outbound traffic. Action specifies whether to allow or deny the traffic. Creating NSG rules involves specifying the necessary parameters to control traffic flow. Start by defining the rule's name and priority. Next, set the source and destination IP addresses or ranges. Choose the appropriate protocol, TCP, UDP, or any. Define the source and destination ports. Finally, decide whether the rule applies to inbound or outbound traffic and whether to allow or deny the traffic. Properly configured rules ensure that only legitimate traffic is permitted. Evaluating existing NSG rules is crucial for maintaining an effective security posture. Begin by reviewing the current rules to ensure they align with your security policies. Check for any overly permissive rules that could expose your resources to unnecessary risks. Look for redundant or conflicting rules that could cause confusion or security gaps. Regularly updating and refining NSG rules helps in adapting to evolving security threats and organizational requirements. Implementing best practices for NSG rules enhances the security and efficiency of your virtual network. Use a least privilege approach, allowing only the necessary traffic. Regularly review and update rules to address new threats and changes in your environment. Document all rules and their purposes to maintain clarity. Use tags and naming conventions to organize and manage rules effectively. Monitor NSG logs to detect and respond to suspicious activities promptly. Avoiding common pitfalls in NSG management is essential for maintaining a secure network. One common mistake is creating overly permissive rules that allow unnecessary traffic. Another is neglecting to regularly review and update rules, leading to outdated or irrelevant rules. Failing to document rules can cause confusion and hinder troubleshooting efforts. Additionally, not monitoring NSG logs can result in missed security incidents. Awareness of these pitfalls helps in implementing more effective NSG management practices. Azure NSGs offer advanced features that enhance security and management capabilities. Service tags simplify rule creation by allowing you to specify well-known Azure services instead of IP addresses. Application security groups, ASGs, enable you to group VMs and apply security rules collectively. NSG flow logs provide detailed information about traffic flow, aiding in troubleshooting and security analysis. Leveraging these advanced features can significantly improve the effectiveness of your NSG rules. Integrating NSGs with other Azure services enhances your overall security strategy. For example, combining NSGs with Azure Firewall provides an additional layer of protection by filtering traffic at the network perimeter. Using NSGs with Azure Security Center helps in identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities. Integrating NSGs with Azure Monitor enables you to track and analyze network traffic patterns. These integrations create a more robust and comprehensive security framework. Consider a case study where a company successfully implemented effective NSG rules to secure their virtual network. The company started by conducting a thorough assessment of their security requirements. They then created a set of NSG rules based on the least privilege principle, allowing only necessary traffic. Regular reviews and updates ensured the rules remained relevant. By leveraging advanced features like service tags and ASGs, they simplified rule management. The result was a secure and efficient virtual network environment. Several tools are available for managing NSGs in Azure. The Azure portal provides a user-friendly interface for creating and managing NSG rules. Azure PowerShell and Azure CLI offer command line options for automating NSG management tasks. Azure Resource Manager, ARM templates enable you to define and deploy NSG configurations as code. Third-party tools and scripts can also assist in managing NSGs. Using these tools effectively can streamline NSG management and improve security. Monitoring and auditing NSGs are essential for maintaining security and compliance. Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center provide insights into NSG activity, helping you detect and respond to potential threats. NSG flow logs offer detailed information about traffic patterns, aiding in troubleshooting and forensic analysis. Regular audits ensure that NSG rules align with security policies and regulatory requirements. Effective monitoring and auditing practices help in maintaining a secure and compliant virtual network. Evaluating and implementing effective security rules in NSGs is crucial for protecting your Azure resources. By understanding the components of NSGs, creating and evaluating rules, following best practices, and leveraging advanced features, you can enhance your virtual network security. Integrating NSGs with other Azure services and using available tools further strengthens your security posture. Regular monitoring and auditing ensure ongoing compliance and threat detection. Continue to refine your NSG management practices to adapt to evolving security challenges.